Guys, it was actually a gunshot. Bruh, me and Gregory were so scared, bruh. Oh my God, chat. Bro, you better like and subscribe because we're doing this for free. I'm not gonna lie. And follow Gregory on his TikTok account. It'll be his TikTok name will be in the thing. His TikTok name is gonna be in the title. So go make sure to go do that and be quiet.
Part 3. You guys in the house.
Alright.
This house is where my brother got hurt at. So we gotta walk. We can't even run.
No more.
Good point. Alright. He got hurt like over there. Over there. Alright, this is part 3. And this is for that big house over there. This one is gonna be more smaller. So this might be a live video.
Yeah. We just have no place to do long ditch or explore. So I'm sorry if the video might be delayed again. But
we was in here once.
Yeah.
We go up upstairs. We might do it this one, but I bet it's creepy. So this what's in here. Boxes, cardboard. Cups. No, heard that?
Yo, heard that? No, go. I gotta walk this time, chat. Help. Yeah. Shoe came off this time. No, chat, that's scary. Y'all might be asking why we not running. Me and Gregory not trying to get hurt. Ow! Ow! My hand. It's a little cut, but it's not bleeding.
Goes to 20 video. So like, we don't have any place to go anywhere.
Ow!
But this will be our last video, chat.
This will not be our last video unless we find somewhere.
Yeah, it's a big dog right there, so we gotta.
Oh yeah, chat. Yeah, I think I'm bleeding again. My mama right there, so we don't have to get out of the street. Comment below, let us know.
Like the video.
Tell me if y'all want more of this content. We will give it to you. I will be reading the comments. And right now we're just gonna take a break. Go explore that. Gregory, come on. Alright, more content for y'all. We're doing a 2-in-1 video.
Hey guys, this is not a live video. This is just part 4. We got